She told me that she saw the flyer at the lift. So after that, she picked it up and she kind of called my mom, and then I guess they talked about it, and then she decided to babysit me. And
the mother was answered the call, and I was so surprised. It was a family, a Chinese family. So saya cakap yang saya ni Melayu, but dia bilang tak apa, as long dekat dengan rumah and comfortable untuk dia pergi kerja. So every day the mother pagi hantar Mesa ke rumah saya lah. Umur dia setahun, dia mulalah macam dia more attached to me. Macam kalau nak balik tu agak susah.
My brother usually picks me up when I was a kid. So when he came and picked me up, I said no. I just ran inside the house. Then he came. He was like, please come back. And I was like, no, I don't want to go back home. I don't want to go home.
I trick dia lah. Nanti I bilang, okay, I follow you. I send you home. After that, I play with you. Bila tengok dia dah masuk bilik je, I balik lah.
I think I was primary 3. She started buying me like the baju kurung and letting me wear it and follow her to go visit her relatives and also her husband's relatives. And it's very interesting because I'm like the only Chinese.
Sometimes if I go out, they will ask me, anak you macam Cina But actually, sometimes tak know. I cuma macam Cina dia, bapak dia macam Cina. Tapi but if I go with my husband, sure they look 1 or 2 times like that lah. So I'm like, no lah, this one my neighbor.
I really appreciate the fact that my mom picked a Malay babysitter, because not only am I exposed to like my own culture, but I get to understand their culture too, and it's like a whole racial harmony thing, I suppose. But like, I really understand like their religion, their culture, the food, everything in their family. Like I would follow it like when I go to like her relatives' houses, I would greet them the normal way by shaking the hand in the normal traditional way. And the fact that I know all these things is very, very enriching to me.
Yang rasa tak comfortable, tapi mak dia rasa as long the child is safe, that's the main point lah. From that I rasa okay, the mother is really trust on me, so I will take care of the kids like my own kids. Bila saya tengok sekarang kan, budak-budak Cina, Melayu and other races, diorang macam dah tak bersatu. Kita takut masa depan anak-anak kita, apakah terjadi pada negara kita kalau mereka tidak bersatu.
I feel it's gross. Like I think there was this Malaysian couple. They put like something about the whole you can buka, and then after that there was like bak kut teh there. I think it's disgusting when they do that. It's so offensive. Like what goes through their mind when they say that? Can't they accept that there are other cultures too? And we have our own culture and they are accepting ours, so we must do the same for them.
I harap dia jadi sukses dan pelajaran and dia punya work, and don't forget me. Okay?
Saya sayang you. Terima kasih for taking care of me.